Last night, our neighbor at the opposite side were having some party because I saw that they have guests. Because the room is so small, every day we are packing and unpacking just to make room for our daily living. That's too much. So at least his luggage is quite neat. That's mine. Yes, that's how we deal with all this every day in this small little room. Fortunate thing is we have a balcony. That's always a bonus. There is a step here from the balcony to the room, so you need to kind of like step up, step down to get about this place. You see how much room we have between the balcony and the bed. This is the space we have to work with. I'm not complaining. It's a nice city, but hotel rooms are just too small. There is a spiral staircase. I've never seen such a nice spiral staircase. Bonjour. So this is the lobby. And that is the entrance. Lovely place. So today, although it's a bit cold, I just came out with a heat tech and a t-shirt. Hopefully I will not be frozen to death. So chance upon this Chinese restaurant. It's called Wai Bo Jia, but we don't have the chance to try it now. It's too early, the bookshops are not open yet. So last week before we went to Amsterdam, we actually bypassed this bridge. It's not raining anymore and this is how the view is like. Nice and beautiful, but I'm sure in summer this place is going to look even better. It's the midday bell again from Notre, but I'm not sure if you can hear it. And that is the opposite side. I have no idea what fruits are this. It looks like lychee. This is a nice little garden. So this is what it is. Shall not attempt to pronounce it. I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly, but this area should be Le Marais. Paris has many such beautiful churches everywhere. And so rich in its history and architecture, and it's so quiet in here. So even the door is so nice, and they have a big Christmas tree outside. There are actually a lot of such small little squares where there are cafes and shops surrounding the square. So these nice little perfume shops, but they're closed.
Thank you.
So many birds here. I'm sure they have their nest somewhere around here. Oh, look at this. There's even food. Feeding for the bird. Another Christmas tree. So walking into the Victor Hugo garden. I'm going to look for his house. The last time that we were here, it was so cold that there's practically nobody. But at least this time round, there are some students, some excursion. So this is the entrance to the Victor Hugo. Came to the Victor Hugo apartment. This is how it looks like. What is the name of the peasant girl? Let's go and find out. So that is Quasimodo. We're done with Victor Hugo apartment. So we're going out to do more walking around the area. Such a nice place. So it's just really nice to just hang around this garden and just enjoy the crisp air. It's like many small little branches that forms up to one big huge tree. I think this is my favorite square so far. Small and compact, but yet very pretty. This is a nice little shopping street. So this is apparently the very popular falafel. Lots of people come here to try it. So we're going into another church again. The sky is turning dark, so we decided to go and have our last coffee for the day. It's so interesting. It's like a work studio right by the side of the street. This is our typical order each time: a coffee, rosé, and mineral water. Hey guys, the bar music was just too loud, so the current me have to voice over myself talking so that I do not get this video flagged for music copyright. So over here, most Parisians will have their lunch from 12 to 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and as for dinner, it's 8 to 10 p.m. in the evening. So hopefully this information is useful for you when you do visit Paris and you're trying to get into a fancy restaurant for a meal. Otherwise, not a problem. Street stalls or fast food joints are conveniently open throughout the day during normal working hours. Just so you know. So after our coffee, it started to drizzle again, but we are going to continue to walk around the place a little bit. There is Hotel de Ville at night. Such a beautiful place. We're heading this way. Come to this brand to pick up some stuff for my mom. So I'm not sure how to pronounce this name. Anybody who knows, let me know. Walk into this Japanese shop, and then we're now having gyoza. We have ordered ramen and hocha. So this is it. This is the one place that we did not visit this trip, which is the Louvre Museum. We've seen a lot of this museum, so there's no need to see it again. The perfect night view of Paris. The street lamps are always so nice. This could be the last time that I'm actually seeing the Notre at night. Seriously, it's so cold right now. Okay, this is the view. Christmas tree. Previously, the queue was like all the way here and come into the square and then make a U-turn, a loop into the entrance over here or over here. I think Emmanuel is the name of one of the bells. I don't know which one, but definitely one of them. Not sure if you hear it, the wind is just blowing in this place. Gotta go back. We decided to go into the diner to get a little snacks.
I also found that